म्हापशा मिलाग्री सायबिणीच्या फेस्ताक हजारांनी भक्तांनी हाजिरी लायली. गेल्या वर्सा परस अंदू वर्सा चड लोकांची गर्दी दिश्टी पडली. म्हापशेच्यान आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर जोसेफ फर्नांडीस.
On the occasion of the Feast of Milagres, I wish each and every one of you a happy feast. Milagres Feast is a feast where we bond many religions together. It's a feast where our Hindu brothers, Muslim brothers, Catholics just throng to Mapsa with their devotion. So I wish each and every one a happy feast, and let the Mother Mary bless and unite and protect each and every one of us with her blessings. Wishing you a happy feast and wish our unity always remain and peace always sustain in Mapsa and Goa and in India.